Okay, guys. Wideband install it with a J pipe. Like I tell you guys, this private label J pipe, I like it really. Fit really perfect. You don't have to deal with no problems with the fitment. It fits really properly with everything. Right here, this hook is really important. Remember, when you put the gas on your engine, when you step on it, all the engine's gonna pull. If you don't got that hook, you can broke your cats or PCDs, whatever you have, because this hook is for the for hold the J pipe to don't pull the cat back, to pull the cat all the way back. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Wideband install it. I'm gonna pass through here, over there, and right here is the cable. Gonna pass it up. Let's see how we're gonna pass it. One recommendation: when you do this job, use a copper spray for the gaskets. It helps with the leaks. That's the copper sprays for correct the the bad sealing in the gaskets. It works really good. Just spray it and let it rest for like a few minutes, 1 to 3 minutes, and that's it. You're gonna pull it back. You put it back right now, ready to load the car. When you're gonna put the J pipe, put a cat right here, a jack. Put a jack right here, and lift it, and it will be really easy to put it on the right there on the screws. It will be really easy. Yeah. Now we're gonna look where we're gonna pass the cables, and let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching YouTube. JV6, Hesperia, California. Jesus is the King.